Have you ever thought what plants eat? Animals, and we, being humans, depends on the plants for food. But plant doesn't do that. They make their own food. The food preparing process in plants is nothing but photosynthesis. Here photo means light, synthesis means making. So let's learn the basics of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a unique process on the earth where the solar energy is converted in the form of food as a chemical energy. So where is the site of this process? Site of the photosynthesis is at leaves and green parts of the plant. During photosynthesis, the leaves trap sunlight and uses it to make sugar molecules such as starch. For the photosynthesis, plants requires four things as the raw materials. These are sunlight, chlorophyll, CO2 and water. Photosynthesis begins like light striking on the leaves of plants. Both sunlight and artificial light such as from the lamps are suitable for photosynthesis. The green pigment present in the chloroplasts called chlorophyll. It allows the leaves to absorb the energy from the sunlight and store it in it, which is used in food manufacturing process. The carbon dioxide and water acts as a raw materials for photosynthesis. The plant absorbs carbon dioxide from the air. So the absorbed carbon dioxide enters the leaves through the pores called stomata. So these stomatas are present on the surface of the leaves. From the stomata, carbon dioxide travels to the chloroplast, where it combines with the water to form a glucose. The combining of carbon dioxide and water utilizes the energy which is stored in chloroplast. So plant absorbs water from surrounding soil with the help of root hairs. So water absorbed by roots then travel to the leaf through stem. The stem has tiny vessels or hair-like pipelines called xylem. So this xylem carries the water from the soil to the leaf through the stem. The chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, then converts them to carbohydrates and oxygen. So here is the equation to summarize photosynthesis. The glucose which is produced during photosynthesis is carried through special tubes called phloem to the different parts of the plant. Here is the picture to show complete process of photosynthesis. So from this module, we have learned the following things. So let us summarize the things. The green plants prepare their food by a process called photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy, which is captured by the leaves. And plant needs four things for photosynthesis: light energy, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. The chloroplast of the leaf contain chlorophyll, which absorbed and stored in light energy, which then used further for process of food manufacturing. Later, carbon dioxide enters the leaves through pores called stomata. From the atmosphere, carbon dioxide reaches chloroplast and combines with the water to form glucose. The combining process of glucose and water utilizes the energy stored in the chloroplast. Now the plant absorbs water from soil through root hair. Water then transported to leaves through stem. These are the detailed headlines to summarize the photosynthesis.